This is Britt with Blackrock Underground. Today's date is November 21st, 2023. We are at 1719 Southwest Terrace Drive, Portland, Oregon, 97201. And as a reference point, the stairs going up to the front. We're located just kind of on this lower level of the home. There's a clean out right here. We're going to be accessing the line through. I'll zero out the footage marker. So this appears to be in here 4-inch ABS. We're going to pause and locate this. Okay, so I've located this. This is backflow valve here. I'm not going to be able to push past this due to I won't be able to get the camera back out. It's located right on pretty much the base of the stairs going up to the upper level. I don't see an access lid to it. Sometimes we can access, pull the flapper out and scope past it. I do see another clean out up around on the side of the home. I'm going to pull out of here. I'm going to advance to that clean out. We'll try from there. This portion of the line looks to be in good working order. I'm going to pause here. Okay, so we've moved here. There's a 3-inch ABS clean out located kind of. Here's the gas meter. Looking out towards the street on the side of the home. Just right here there's a clean out. I'll zero out here. This appears to be 3-inch ABS. So this takes us right back to the backflow valve we were just looking at. So at this point, I believe this is, I have the water running from the interior of the house. You can kind of see here, here's where it enters. And so not going to be able to advance past that point. We'll pull back here. This portion of the line seems to be in good working order also. I guess now we're going to pause the video again. Okay, so here we've had to move again. I found a clean out located, get the camera right here. Here's the stairs coming up the home. The street's just right there. Right up here on the side there is a 4-inch ABS clean out. I'm going to push this upward towards the home and try to get to the back side of that backflow valve just so we can verify the pipe. So we do have water running, but I'm not seeing any water coming down this line here. I'm going to pause and try to locate this. Okay, so I've located this. This is appears to be a line heading to the neighbors. I guess if you're sitting on the street looking up at the home, it'd be the home to the left. My camera's kind of heading over in that direction. We also do have water running through the current home right now, and there is no water running through here. So we're going to pull back, see if we can kind of identify this connection point. Looks like right here, they just flushed the toilet, so it looks like this is the connection point. I'm going to pause, see if I can locate this. Okay, so we just located this. This is between the two levels of stairs. I'll mark this with white paint. It's in the ivy. This is where I would assume the party takes place. Then here we just see a kind of a big root ball here. I'm going to pause and locate this. Okay, so I've located this here. Here we are back at the clean out. Now I'm going to go back down this and we're going to push down the line. Here it looks like we just transitioned the clay pipe. Here, we're going to pause the video. Okay, so I've located this. This is pretty much under the stairs, behind the wall that's up against the street. And up more roots here. Here's our transition to concrete. More roots. Here's a transition to PVC. And here we are at the city main line. So I'm going to pull back. We're going to locate a couple spots here. I'm going to locate this. Okay, I've located this. We're going to locate this transition point right here from the concrete to the clay. Okay, so I've located this. This is, let's call this the face of curb. So everything out past this point is going to be the city's responsibility. Everything back from this point is going to be the homeowner's responsibility. Right here at the transition from 6-inch concrete to 6-inch clay. Everything back from this point is going to be under that wall that's out on the street and the stairs coming up to the home. We see roots here. More roots here, kind of a separated joint. More roots here. More roots. Kind of a separated joint here. And here's our transition point to the ABS. And here we are coming up the clean out. Again, here's our point of access. Looking down the stairs towards the street. So at this time, this is a failing sewer inspection due to the roots in the line. There was a possible party connection located. It appears to be partied with a neighbor. There is a section that I'm not able to scope from the backflow valve down to this clean out or the party connection. We did see a root intrusion just after the party connection, and then the chunk of ABS clean out that I'm going through right now seems to be in good working order. Then it transitions to clay under these stairs down to the street, which is several roots, offset joints, separations. And then it transitions to concrete out to the city main. The city has some roots on their end of things, and then it transitions to PVC and then goes to the city main line. So again, at this time, this is a failing sewer inspection. Also would recommend up at the backflow valve, I've poked around, I cannot find the lid for that. I'd recommend someone digging down and exposing the lid so it is accessible, so someone can scope the remaining portion of the line. So at this time, no further action is required. This will end the video.